In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log in to Leonardo AI step by step so you can get into your account quickly and start using the platform without any confusion. If you're new to Leonardo AI or you just want a simple walkthrough, this guide will make the process easy to follow. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo.ai. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a couple of login options on the screen. You can click Start Now in the middle of the page, or you can use the login option in the corner. Both options will take you to the next step, so just choose whichever is easiest for you. After you click it, a new page will open. On that page, look over to the sidebar and find the Sign In option. This is where Leonardo AI lets you connect your existing account and access the platform. When you click Sign In, you'll see a list of different login providers. You can choose the one that matches the account you used when you signed up. For example, you may see options like Google, Canva, Microsoft, or other supported providers. Select the provider you want to use and then continue with the normal login process. If you picked Google, for example, you'll enter your Google account details if needed and approve the sign-in prompt. If you chose Canva or Microsoft, just follow the same process for that provider and enter your email or account information depending on the login method. Make sure you use the same account that is linked to your Leonardo AI profile, otherwise you may end up in a different account or be asked to create a new one. Once you complete the sign-in process, Leonardo AI will load the homepage, and when the homepage opens, that means you are successfully logged in. From there, you can start exploring the dashboard, creating images, and using all the tools available in your account. So that's how you log in to Leonardo AI in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.